How to use Zelle with IBC Bank. So as you can see, IBC Bank does not directly integrate with Zelle within its online banking platform or mobile app. However, you can still use Zelle to send and receive money with an ABC bank account through the following methods. So the first one is through the Zelle app. So you're gonna have to download the Zelle app for iOS or Android, and then you're gonna have to make sure to create a Zelle profile. Then you're gonna have to simply link your IBC bank debit card to your Zelle profile. Now the second one is Zelle through other banking apps. So if you have another bank account that is already enrolled with Zelle, you can typically add your IBC bank debit card to that account's Zelle profile. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.